Hi, I'm Brittany Darling. I'm the nutrition expert here at One Fine Baby, as well as being a mum of two and a nutritionist in clinical practice. So colic is a reason that a lot of parents come to see me with their babies in clinic, and I think it can be a really distressing time for parents. So it's important to define what colic is. So colic is the recurrent and persistent crying of an infant that comes with fussing and irritability in a child that's less than 5 months. The cause of colic isn't known, although there's lots of theories around it, including trapped wind and gut sensitivities to food proteins. One of the biggest food triggers that I see with colic is dairy products. So this could be either dairy-based formulas potentially causing food allergies in some infants, or it can be dairy proteins coming through mum's breast milk. So my go-to remedy for colic is a probiotic. And it's not just any old infant probiotic, it's a really specific strain called Lactobacillus reuteri. So there's been around 5 randomized control trials to date on Lactobacillus reuteri, and it seems to work best in breastfed colicky infants, although it can be used in formula-fed infants as well. It can be used alongside medications, and it can, like medications for instance like PPIs or proton pump inhibitors that are often given to colicky babies as a diagnostic tool to rule out more serious things like gastrointestinal reflux disease. So there is a lot of evidence for a probiotic strain known as Lactobacillus reuteri for the use in colicky babies. It seems to work better in breastfed infants rather than formula fed, although it can be used in both. It's a probiotic, its safety profile's very safe, and you just want to make sure that you get the right dose. There's a lot of baby or even infant probiotics on the market. It's important to know that it is the Lactobacillus reuteri species, and you're looking at a dose of around 10 billion CFUs, which stands for colony forming units. Used for 21 days has been shown to reduce crying time and fussing in colicky infants. So if you're interested in finding out more about colic and how probiotics might be able to help your baby, you can head to the One Fine Baby website and read my latest blog.